In today's video, I'm going to teach you a fundamental skill, how to save an image using GIMP, a versatile and powerful image editing software that's popular among designers and photographers alike. Whether you're a beginner just starting to get familiar with the software or someone who's looking for a quick refresher, this guide will help make your workflow smoother. First, let's begin by launching GIMP. Once the software is open, you'll see a blank workspace. This is where all the creativity happens. You can either start a new project or open an existing image you might want to edit. At this point, you should have your image open in GIMP, ready for any adjustments or enhancements you plan to make. Now, when it comes to saving your work, one of the key actions you'll need to know is how to export your image. Exporting is essential if you want to share your work as a standard image file, like JPEG or PNG, rather than GIMP's native .xcf format, which is used for ongoing projects. Let's explore how to do this efficiently. Navigate your cursor to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This will reveal a drop-down menu with numerous options. Here you want to focus on Export As, because this is the feature that allows you to save your image in various file formats, which is perfect for when you're ready to send the image to a client or post it online. After clicking Export As, a new dialog box will appear. This is where you select where you'd like to save your image on your computer. It's good practice to choose a location that's easy to remember and access, such as your desktop or a dedicated pictures folder. You'll also need to decide on a file name. Descriptive names can be helpful, especially if you're working with multiple images or versions. Alongside choosing the location, you'll notice a field for the file type. Here you can select the format that best suits your needs. If you're unsure, PNG files are great for maintaining quality, while JPEGs are ideal for reducing file size. Once you've got everything set, go ahead and click the Export button at the bottom of the dialog box. GIMP will then guide you through a few additional settings based on the file type you selected. These settings offer control over compression and quality, among other things. Just ensure everything looks good, then hit Export one more time. And that's it. You're done. Your image is now saved and ready for use outside of GIMP. This straightforward process ensures that your work is preserved in the format you need, making sharing and archiving your creations quick and easy. I hope this guide was helpful and you now feel more confident in saving your images using GIMP.